Hey guys, Johnny here. I'm here at another open house, and here in Mountain Helix is a beautiful property, and looking forward to seeing what it looks like inside with a beautiful pool in the back.
Here is a beautiful Mount Helix dream home fully remodeled in an upscale neighborhood. This beautiful house has 4 bedrooms. It has 3 bathrooms. This property has a total of 2,275 square feet. Buyer interest? Please contact us at CaliforniaCoastHomes.com.